Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Ocho Rios and we are going to talk to you about Main Street in Ocho Rios being renamed after Gordon Butch Stewart. Now Mr. Stewart is the founder of Sandals Resorts, which operates the Sandals Hotels and the Beaches Hotels. And Sandals is the number one hotel chain, not only in Jamaica, but the Caribbean. So he passed in 2021, and the St. Anne Municipal Corporation wants to rename Main Street the Gordon Butch Stewart Boulevard. So we're driving into Ocho Rios now. We're going to turn left and head on to Main Street. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. So we're turning on to Main Street now. And as the name implies, this is the main street for the town of Ocho Rios. And Ocho Rios is one of the major tourist towns in Jamaica. The government of Jamaica has approved the renaming of Main Street in the popular town of Ocho Rios in honor of Gordon Butch Stewart, the founder of Sandals Resorts, who died in 2021. And whereas Gordon Butch Stewart has been a significant employer in Ocho Rios, and whereas Gordon Butch Stewart has been, through his Sandals Foundation, contributing greatly to the development and benevolence outfit program, be it resolved that the St. Anne Municipal Corporation look to rename Main Street Ocho Rios in his honor posthumously. We further resolve that this do not interfere in the mailing address, but rather add his recognized name as an addition on signpost and street name, and we further resolve that this recognition be forwarded to the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development for approval. The honor will serve as recognition for Stewart's contribution to the parish of St. Anne and Jamaica as a whole. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about the renaming of Main Street. I think it's an excellent idea, and more street names need to be changed to honor Jamaicans. There are so many roads, major highways that should be named after Jamaicans. So this is an excellent idea, and we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.